How to use peer-to-peer payment apps safely. The first thing that you need to do is to choose a trusted P2P app. There are many apps that fall under this category. For example, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, or PayPal. Make sure that you stick to well-known apps. Avoid obscure apps with limited reviews. While linking your app to bank account, make sure that it's secure. Open the app and go to Add Bank Account or Linked Accounts. Make sure you are using secure login methods. You will need to verify even the smallest deposits. Make sure that you set up a backup funding source. To use apps safely, make sure that you are using strong security practices. This includes enabling two-factor authentication, using a strong, unique password, avoid sending your entire bank balance, transfer only what's needed. Some apps let you set daily or weekly transfer limits. Use them. Make sure that you are considering using app balance instead of direct bank withdrawals for extra security. That's all for today. Thank you.